to get the spindle one in the correct position. So when we want to run a program, we go into auto there. Now we have to check that we're in a reset mode first of all. So in auto, you press reset, then you go manual, you press reset. And that's in case you got a program running or anything like that.
Auto, reset, manual, reset.
Yeah, that takes you back. And then to run this program, I only want to run spindle 1. I don't want to run spindle 2, so I'm going to turn spindle 2 off and spindle 1 on, so I'm only running spindle 1. And then what I'm going to do then is I'm going to press monitor, and I'm going to press search, and I'm going to search for program number 100. And this is where I've got this setup program just to set the bar. Okay. And if I then press coordinate, it's showing me the program and it's showing me where I am. So I'm going to go into single block, that's my single block button, and I'm going to wind this potentiometer down, and each time I press cycle start, it will read, sorry, switch to auto there, and each time I press cycle start, it will read a line of this program. So it's opened the chuck, and now it's going to move Z 64mm, so that will move in to the correct position. So that's now exactly 30mm from its 0 point, and that's the machine setup there. That's much easier than moving it all with a hand wheel and lining it into a run, which you don't need to do. And then to run the actual program, what we've got to do is make sure the block skip is switched off. Okay?
Yeah.
That's when you start the program. Now the machine will actually set that back on its own, it'll switch that on so it can keep running on with a circle. But if you want to come back to this, you've got to switch it on, because this will make it run the initial program. And you've got to set the bar so that the bar is in a position where, if you just look in there, the bar should be in a position where you're actually going to machine a little bit off the front when you start machining. So it's just going to part that off, that little bit off. So providing it's sticky locked enough to machine it, that will do. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make spindle 1 and spindle 2 active. I'm going to just press reset, reset again, back into auto, and this time I'm going to search for program number 1. And that's got my program number 1 ready to run. Okay, and the machine's now ready to run. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to run it in single block to start with, but then I'll take it out of single block and the machine will run. So you can switch that off.